Good day, everyone. Today we'll be discussing the pressing environmental challenges facing South Africa. These issues are not only interconnected by far-reaching impacts on the country's natural resources, economy, and the well-being of its people. From water scarcity to biodiversity loss, we'll explore the causes, impacts, and potential solutions to these critical problems. So the first challenge we'll be discussing is water scarcity. South Africa is one of the driest countries in the world with limited rainfall and a growing population putting immense pressure on its water resources. Many regions experience severe water shortages, particularly during drought periods. Urban areas struggle to meet demand, and agriculture, which accounts for much of the water usage, is significantly affected. Addressing this issue requires innovative solutions like investing in water-saving technologies, improving infrastructure to prevent water loss, and exploring desalination options to secure water for future generations. The second one is air pollution. Air pollution is a major concern, particularly in urban areas like Johannesburg, where industrial activity and vehicle emissions dominate. The burning of coal for energy further exacerbates the problem. Poor air quality poses serious health risks, including respiratory. Poor air quality poses serious health risks, including respiratory and cardiovascular diseases, especially for vulnerable populations like the children and the elderly. To combat air pollution, South Africa must prioritize the transition to cleaner energy sources, enforce stricter emission regulations, and encourage sustainable urban transport systems. The third one is climate change. Climate change is one of the most significant environmental threats South Africa faces. The country's heavy reliance on coal for energy has made it top emitter of greenhouse gases. Rising temperatures and unpredictable weather patterns are already impacting agriculture, water availability, and coastal areas. Extreme weather events such as floods and droughts are becoming more frequent and severe. Transitioning to renewable energy, reducing emissions, and implementing climate adaptation strategies are crucial steps toward mitigating these impacts. Why do you say that? Because not. South Africa is renowned for its rich biodiversity, but its natural treasure is under serious threat. Deforestation, habitat destruction, and pollution are driving many species toward extinction, including iconic animals like rhinos and leopards. The loss of biodiversity doesn't just affect wildlife, it also disrupts ecosystems and that provide essential services like clean water, pollination, and carbon storage. To address this, we need stronger conservation efforts, better protection of natural habitats, and community involvement in preserving biodiversity. The fifth one is deforestation and desertification. Deforestation and desertification are crucial issues driven by unsustainable farming practices, logging, and urban expansion. As land is degraded, soil fertility declines, leading to reduced agricultural productivity and food insecurity. Desertification and further exacerbates the problem, particularly in semi-arid regions. Solutions include reforestation programs, adopting sustainable farming techniques, and better urban planning to balance development with environmental preservation. Waste management is a growing challenge in South Africa, with poor disposal systems leading to land and water pollution. Overflowing landfills and litter in rivers are common sights, contributing to environmental degradation and health risks. recycling efforts are limited and public awareness around waste segregation remains low. To tackle this, we need to promote education on waste management, invest in recycling infrastructure, and enforce stricter policies for waste disposal and corporate responsibility. The solutions, in conclusion, South Africa faces numerous environmental challenges, but solutions are within reach. Transitioning to renewable energy sources can reduce emissions, while water conservation and improved waste management can protect our natural resources. Reforestation and biodiversity conservation can restore ecosystems and support wildlife. Collaboration is key. Individuals, businesses, and governments must work together to create a sustainable future for South Africa. Let's take action now and secure a healthy planet for generations to come.